uh, print puller service kami printer service installer error oma siamdan. How to resolve the error of printer service installation? That is, the error message is service receive printer service failed to start. Verify that you have sufficient privilege to start a system service. Error. Now if that error comes, you go like this. Here you type Windows R run, or you can do by SERVI services. You can type these services in the start button. Okay, then here it will come. Here you search for print puller service, print down and then this one, print puller service. If it is not in running condition, if this is not in running, here you right click and start, you click start. Okay, you click start button or restart button. You just click the start button and try installing again. That's all. Thank you.